If your lynda.com membership includes it, you'll find a collection of exercise files that you could download to follow along with some of the activities we're going to explore today. Now keep in mind, for multi-camera productions, there's a lot of angles, and this equals a lot of gigabytes. To make it easier, I've heavily compressed the footage to optimize it for download. As such, some of the original visual clarity is lost in the footage, but it'll be easier for you to work with the source material. Additionally, keep in mind that I can't give you all of the footage. For a couple of the sections of this course, we're going to work with a lot of angles, and for those parts, it's going to be more of a demonstration. Now, you could work with some of the other source material and try the techniques out as well, but I wanted to show you a real-world production and just how much media there is. This is going to be useful because it will help you get organized in the future. But I didn't think you wanted to download 80 gigabytes of source files, so I've made a smaller collection to really help you get the hang of the core skills of editing. So go ahead and download those files, or find some of your own productions that you've worked on and get some multi-angle footage, and it'll really come in handy.